Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening our first influencer for 2020. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we are opening up another influencer box. So if you're probably wondering what the heck is influencer, influencer is an application they can download on your phone where if you share your reviews with them, they will send you products. So if you look on my blog or on my YouTube channel, depending on where you're looking at this video, you can see I have two videos there. So I have a how to get free makeup video, and then I also have how to get influencer Vox boxes. So the Vox boxes are what they will send you so that you guys can review them for those companies. So this, I'm not like an often influencer Vox box getter, so all I can tell you to do is I'll put the link under the video so you guys can sign up for it. It's totally free, but you just review your products. There is no magic key to this. All I can say is just if you have products in your house, and this doesn't have to be just makeup, it can be reviewing of any products. Eventually, if they find something that fits like your interest and your profile, they will send you a box. So this is the most recent. So this is the second time I'm actually getting an influencer box. Now this, what I'm reviewing for you guys, is gonna be Laura Mercier, and this is translucent loose setting powder. So they wanted to know my thoughts on this, but I kind of wanted to do an unboxing so that you guys can have an idea of things that influencer will share with you. So this is what the box looks like inside. And they give you a little pamphlet here. And then what you would do is you would review it, you would give it a try and give them your thoughts on the product. And that's all your commitment is. And then the more times that you do things like that and review products, they will send you more. So I have here, this is, hold on, let me see if it tells me everything. Okay, so it does. It says I have a velour puff. It says conforms to face for expert application, applies powder with luxurious ease. So this basically is a bougie brush. So that's what this is. Let me see if we can get it open. And of course, only I will drop it. So this is, there we go. So this is, it says Laura Mercier, nice and bougie and very, very soft. So I can definitely say it's soft. And I think I've gotten something before with a Laura beauty box, I believe. So let me see. So this is gonna be a primer. So you're gonna put this on before the setting powder. So the primer here, it says Pure Canvas Primer, hydrating, promotes long-term hydration, extends makeup wear, silicone-free, water-based. So this is what that looks like there. So you're gonna put this on obviously before your setting spray. And then this is what the container looks like there. And let me see if we can check it out. And it has a safety seal on it, so that's super fresh. It doesn't have a scent to it, but you can see there is like you can tell it's like not so thick, but it is there. And it's kind of watered down. Not that watered down, but yeah, it doesn't really have a scent to it. It's like a light scent, but like a clean scent to it. So you would put that on. So I'm actually gonna use my hand as an example. So this is the next thing we have here. So the translucent loose setting powder. So that's what that looks like there. And that's what the inside would look like, but this is a translucent powder. I believe, like I said, I've gotten something similar to this from Allure. Let me see. I know there's like a sticker in here where you have to take that off. So let me see if I can figure out where the sticker, I got it. All right, there we go. So usually what I do with things like this is I will put it on the top. I'll put it on the top here, just in case I make a mistake. And then I'll put it on my face. So I'm gonna use my hand, like I said, just to give an idea of how this would look. Okay, so you guys, I don't know if you can tell, but you know, I have that cream on it and it did base that down. So it's not as shiny as it was before. So that's really good. So that seems like that would work also. So I'm definitely gonna review this and give this a try after a few tries. But I wanted to share this one with you guys because if you ever, I know when I first started my YouTube channel, I kind of wanted to know how all these people were getting like free product. And I wasn't trying to be like that super YouTube influencer or anything. I just wanted to try different products. This is a free way that you can get free products. So this is what I got. And it says for the translucent powder, let me see. It says sets makeup for 16 hours, no photo flashback, neutral matte finish. So you get to try different products. So let me just take a look and give you a flashback or go rewind on what we got. So we got the information and it gives you like descriptions of what to do. So we have the primer that we got, and then we have our bougie brush there, and then we have the translucent powder. So if you use influencer, I'm telling you, just review products. And I know you're probably thinking like that can't be it. That's really it, because I don't really, you know, go on there. They'll send me like different questionnaires. They're called snaps. Answer the snaps, and every so often if there's something new, they'll give you a questionnaire to fill out, a survey. They'll send it to your email, and as soon as you get that email, fill it out, and if it's for you, they will send you the product. And that's actually what happened to this. I think I answered the questions like about a week ago, and then it says, okay, you're in, and they put you in, so whatever they're looking for. The last, if you look at my last influencer video, they sent me like a ton of product from Drunk Elephant, which I love Drunk Elephant, so I loved all the products in that one. But yeah, I'll put the link for Influencer so you guys can download that on your phone. Like I said, all you have to do is fill out the information on there, and then voila, you'll get products. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have ever gotten an Influencer Vox box before, or if you have ever gotten any free product anywhere, or free makeup before. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And definitely search on my channel, because I did, like I said, if you want to get an idea of other boxes that they could send you, I definitely have the other Vox box on my blog. Just search influencer on my blog or on my YouTube, so you can check that out and get a better idea as to the products that they send you. So that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.